Welcome back to Decorating with Kelly. Today's video is all about peonies, starting with a beautiful coffee table book, Peonies, Beautiful Varieties for Home and Garden by Jane Eastoe and photography by Georgianna Lane. It's a floral gardening guide to the popular peony flower. This book features an eclectic selection of peonies with over 60 varieties, from those with the best visual appearance and the most fragrant perfume to those that are easiest to grow and produce the best cutting flowers. It features comments on each bloom, easy to follow growing advice, and glorious photography. In the introduction, it starts out by talking about peony gazing, which is a cherished tradition in China and Japan, where people flock to annual peony festivals each spring. Visitors leisurely stroll through the gardens filled with blooming peonies, marveling at their intricate beauty and diverse characteristics. Each flower variety offers a unique spectacle, from elaborate frills to classical perfection, accompanied by a stunning array of colors reminiscent of fine art. Personally, I love that peonies look both modern and traditional and brighten up any space. And did you know that peonies can live between 50 and 100 years? Besides their unbridled beauty, they are relatively disease-resistant. Slugs, deer, and rabbits tend to avoid them, which is a huge bonus in my book. The herbaceous peony is the embodiment of June. When it wilts, it sheds its petals in a heap, reminiscent of the sudden demise of a rose, prompting us to briefly acknowledge the passing of what was once a vibrant beauty. Certain peonies possess a strikingly pure and balanced form, enhancing garden borders with the symmetry and color. Whether single-cupped or densely petaled, their textures range from delicate translucent to satin sheen. While white, cream, and pastel hues are common, bold colors like deep purples and intense reds also make elegant choices, gradually fading like watercolor paintings over time. This book is a stunning resource for peony enthusiasts, featuring beautiful photography and comprehensive information. Whether for a coffee table display, peony knowledge, or gardening inspiration, I highly recommend. With top-notch quality in paper, binding, photos, and content, it stands out as a favorite among peony lovers. My personal favorite is the Coral Charm. It starts out bold and brilliant and gradually fades to a buttery yellow. And now for an amazing hack that allows you to enjoy your peonies throughout the summer, along with some personal photos from Monet's garden and a birthday party that I threw for my daughter. So your peonies are starting to bloom. Do you know how easy it is to save peonies for up to 3 months for blooms later? Here's how to do it. Just as the buds are starting to show color at the top and feel like a marshmallow, cut the stems, strip the leaves to reduce water loss, and place in a gallon-size or larger Ziploc bag. Place in a single-layer row along with a paper towel and seal the bag. Then you simply place the buds horizontally in the refrigerator for up to 3 months for use later. When you're ready to use the flowers, remove from the refrigerator, cut the stems at an angle to the appropriate length, put them in a vase of room temperature water, and they will soon open. This is such a simple way to enjoy these beauties well beyond their regular blooming time in the garden. I have done this many times and the blooms are exquisite. Enjoy!